Loading footage into the computer is an essential part of TV Pro, so today I'll be showing you how to properly do so. This method is great for loading shorter clips into the computer, but if you have longer full-length shoots, then use Adobe Prelude. First, insert your SD card into the computer. Once you have put it in, go to the SD card icon and double-click to open it. Double-click on the folder named Private. Then, right-click on the label that says AVC HD, and then click Show Package Contents. Right-click on the label that says BDMV, and then click Show Package Contents again. Next, you're going to double-click on the folder that says Stream. Now, hold down Shift as you click on the clips you want to export. In the corner of the window you opened, you'll see a plus sign. Click on that to open a new tab. Open the folder that you want to load the footage into. Then click back into the previous tab. Drag the selected clips from the SD card window into your folder in Finder. Now you just wait for all the clips to fully copy. To safely remove your SD card, drag the SD card icon into the trash. If nothing pops up, then you can remove your SD card from the computer. Now that you've properly loaded your footage into the computer, you're ready to edit.